Alright guys, so I have a Samsung water filter that I pulled out of my refrigerator. It was in the house when I bought it. We don't hardly ever use it. It's been in there at least 3 years. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to saw it in half so that we can see what's inside of it. Stay there. So it's a Samsung water filter. It says it's good for 300 gallons. It's probably ran 15 to 2,000 gallons through it, or if not more. So we're going to go ahead and saw it in half and see what it looks like. Alright, so that's what the inside of it looks like. I'm going to see if I can get it out. It actually isn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. I've changed out water filters. I go to like ice makers and stuff for like commercial. And they've had algae and stuff built up on them. So that's not nearly as bad as I thought it was going to be. So that's what the water goes through to get purified. But I've seen these covered in algae. So that makes me a little bit happier to know that it's not completely disgusting. But yeah, that's what the inside of a Samsung water filter for refrigerators looks like.
What does inside that one look like?
The same thing, but